Now let us see a simple program which is using a function. See, we have a class so and so, then we have void main, okay. Since values are going to be given, so we are giving import keyword there. There we are writing void sum. Then we are giving nothing there. Since we are giving the input, declare the scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Okay, then system.in will be given. Then we are declaring the variables which are required, int b and c, or the s which is used for storing the sum. Give the message in this function SOPLN. Enter two numbers. A is equal to sc.nextInt, b is equal to sc.nextInt, s is equal to a plus b, SOPLN, sum is plus s, main closed, class closed. See, here we have the new unit which is named as sum. All the variables are declared there, values are input. You have to just call that function. So to call that function, we will use the function name here. So when we run the main program, the control will go from here to the function, and once the function is over, we will return back to the main. So this is the normal way. Here you see the function prototype tells the function does not return any value. The name of the function is sum and it does not take any arguments. Okay, the next one will be the one which is going to take arguments. Let us see. See, in the main, we will declare the variables by giving the scanner class. After that, we are declaring those variables, two variables, int a comma b, then asking for the values, SOPLN, enter two numbers, a is equal to sc.nextInt, b is equal to sc.nextInt. Okay, now what is going to happen? We will just add those two values, but this addition will be done inside the function. So we are passing those values. We are giving sum with a comma b. See, while calling the function, we are having only the variable names there. Their data types are not specified. Now the function we are going to write void, function name is sum. There we can give int x comma int y. Then here we are giving int s. Okay, now s is equal to a plus x plus y. We are displaying it SOPLN. Sum is plus s. The function is closed as well as the class is closed. Now you see, when the main is running, variables are declared there, values are taken as the input, supplying these two to the function. Okay, they will be copied to this x. Okay, now we call these two variables as formal parameters, and these two variables are known as actual parameters. See, and the method which we are using here is call by value or pass by value. These two are meaning the same thing. Second one is call by reference or pass by reference. So the first one is used here. What is that? Call by value or the pass by value, where these actual parameters are copied to the formal parameters, and whatever changes you make in the formal parameters will not be affecting the actual parameter. That is what is called as call by value. Whereas in call by reference, actual parameters are referenced by the formal parameters, and whatever you do in the formal parameters, whatever changes you do, that will definitely affect the actual parameters. Okay, in call by value method, all primitive data types are passed, but in the call by reference methods, reference data types are passed. Okay, I think you understood the point. Anyway, you please note down this program and try to solve it in your computer. Please remember that once you understand the program, then only you do in the computer. That means you have to work out in the copy. Directly using the computer for typing the program and running, it is just like learning everything by heart. Because you are not confident. First of all, you have to solve the program in the copy by using your brain. Later on, once you finish the dry run, use the laptop or the PC for the solution. I hope you understood.